Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnoculus. In the last two videos, we started off with this cute I Heart You bookmarks and had finished the letter I and the heart motif. This is the third part of the pattern, and if you landed here directly, please do check out part 1 and part 2. The link will be on the top right corner of your screen. That will get you up to speed and you'll be all set to make the letter U with me. Before we go to the pattern, it would mean the world to me if you take a moment to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I get tons of encouragement to keep designing and sharing beautiful patterns and you don't run out of project ideas to try. Win-win for all of us, right? So please like, share and subscribe as much as you can, and thank you so much for all the love and support you have been showing for my channel. Alright, with all that said, let's dive into the pattern for the letter U and finish this beautiful bookmark just in time for Valentine's Day. Let's go. Alright everyone, last time we had finished until row number 31. That gave you the heart motif, and now we are gonna start with row number 32. And just like we did after the letter I, we need to create some space between the heart motif and the letter U as well. So rows number 32 and 33 are gonna be rows of single crochet in every stitch. You'll get 16 single crochets on each of these two rows and chain 1 and turn at the end of row number 32 to continue with row number 33. Let's get started with this and I'll tell you what to do next. Alright, that was the end of your row number 33, and now from row number 34 onward, we're gonna start the pattern for the letter U. Okay, so start with 2 single crochets in the light pink color. Change over to red at the end of the second single crochet, and we need to do 12 single crochets with the red color. So go ahead and do 12 single crochets in the next 12 stitches with the red color. And end this row with 2 single crochets of the light pink color. Chain 1, turn your work. Row number 35 is gonna be exactly similar to row number 34. That's gonna be 2 single crochets of the light pink color, 12 single crochets of the red color and 2 single crochets of the light pink color. Alright, done with row number 35. For row number 36, chain 1, turn your work, and we're gonna start with 2 single crochets in the color light pink. Change over to red and do 2 single crochets with red. Change over to pink and finish this row with rest of the single crochets in the light pink color, and you're gonna get 12 single crochets. And you don't need to carry over the red color this time, you can just leave it where it is. For row number 37, chain 1, turn your work, follow the same color pattern as row number 36 in the reverse order. So 12 single crochets of light pink, 2 single crochets of red and 2 single crochets of light pink. Alright, for row number 38, chain 1, turn your work, and now we need to repeat the last 2 rows that we did. That was rows number 36 and 37 once again. That's gonna give you rows number 38 and 39. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so at the end of row number 39, chain 1, turn your work, and we are ready for row number 40. So row number 40 and 41 are gonna be exactly similar to row number 34 and 35 that we did just now, and that's gonna complete the other side of the letter U. So go ahead and repeat rows number 34 and 35 once again. That's gonna give you rows number 40 and 41. Alright, that was the end of your row number 41. For row number 42, chain 1, turn your work, and on the right side of your work you would see that all of your motifs are now complete, and all we need to do for this side of the bookmark is mimic the start and make 4 rows of single crochet so that your start and end look uniform. That's gonna be in the light pink color, and we do not need the red color anymore. So just cut it off and you can weave it in later. Okay. For now, rows number 42, 43, 44 and 45 are just gonna be rows of single crochet in every stitch with the light pink color. So let me complete that real quick and I'll show you what we need to do to finish off this bookmark. Alright, so at the end of row number 45, you should see your work almost done, and a little bit of finishing here is remaining, and we need to actually make it into a bookmark. Okay, the first piece of finishing that we would need to do is along the longer edges of your bookmark. So if you see, these edges are not evened out, so we need to do a single crochet in every stitch along these 2 edges, and on each of these sides you should be getting 45 single crochets. I'm gonna continue with the same yarn without snipping it off, and just keep on doing a single crochet along the longer edges of your work. Once you're done with 45 stitches on both of the long edges, weave in the ends and you are ready to use your bookmark. But if you wish to make the bookmark a little more sturdy like I did for my grey one, here's what you'll need to do. Step 1. Crochet a back panel similar in size to the front panel. For my bookmark, this was 45 rows with 16 single crochets on every row. Step 2. Align the front panel on the back panel with the right side facing you and stitch up 3 sides of both the panels together. You can either crochet them, hand sew them, or if you have a stitching machine, you can use that as well. I used my small tapestry needle and the same yarn and sewed the panels together. Take care to sew only 3 sides and keep one side open. Step 3. Insert a piece of card paper or any sturdy paper into the bookmark through the open side. Step 4. Stitch the last side close just like you did for the other 3 sides. Last but not the least, weave in your ends and you are all set. This concludes my bookmark pattern and I hope you're gonna make lots and lots of these bookmarks in different sizes and colors. I'm always looking forward to your versions of my patterns. So if you happen to make any of these, please tag me on Instagram. My handle is @yarnoculus. I'm going to get working on my next pattern and counting on all of you to like, share and comment on my videos. So see you guys very soon. Till then, take care and happy crocheting.